Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to print Jet2 boarding pass. So if you have already booked your Jet2 flight and want to print your boarding pass before heading to the airport, these are the steps that you need to follow. First, open your web browser and visit the official jet2.com website and just go ahead and click on so we're heading over to our booking to see how we can get a booking from there. So go ahead and click on your profile picture and it takes you to this, or your profile name, it takes you right into this drop down. So from this drop down, just go ahead and click on bookings and it's going to take you right into the booking page. So right in the booking page, you see that you need to enter your booking reference, your booking contact name, and outbound departure date, depending on the request provided. All right, so just wait for this page to fully load up and we're going to see what's next. So here you go. Go ahead and enter your booking reference number. And once you enter a booking reference number, the next step you have to do is to click on add booking and provide all the necessary details. All right, now your booking reference number, in case you're asking, can be found in your Jet2 booking confirmation email. So once you have entered the required information, just go ahead and click on add booking. Now, after accessing your booking, look for the option to check in online and select it. Because once you click on add booking, it's going to take you to the booking details page. So that's where you manage your booking. Now, after accessing that booking in the booking details page, look for the option to check in online and select it. Now, Jet2 currently allows online check-in from 28 days before your flight until 6 hours before departure. Although the exact check-in deadline can vary by airport. So you need your unique booking reference and valid passport to complete the process. So follow the instructions on the screen to check in yourself and any other passengers included in your booking. You may also be asked to provide or confirm your travel document details, so make sure the information matches your passport or other accepted travel document. Continue through the check-in process until it is successfully completed. Now, once you have completed online check-in, Jet2 will make your boarding pass available. So look for the option to download or view your boarding pass. If the website provides the boarding pass as a downloadable document, select the download option and save the file to your computer. So open the downloaded boarding pass file on your computer and select the print icon or press Ctrl P on a Windows computer. Now choose your printer, check that the boarding pass is displayed correctly in the print preview and click print. Make sure the barcode or QR code on the boarding pass is clear and easy to scan. Now once you have printed your boarding pass, keep it somewhere safe and easily accessible for your journey. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.